Did you know many people are having trouble with the flashing M light on their Canon printer? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Check cartridge. First, check if the magenta toner cartridge is securely installed in the printer. Step 2. Inspect cartridge. Remove the magenta cartridge and inspect it for any damage or leakage. Step 3. Clean contacts. Use a lint-free cloth to gently clean the contacts on the toner cartridge and inside the printer. Step 4. Reinstall cartridge. Reinstall the magenta toner cartridge, ensuring it clicks into place properly. Step 5. Restart printer. Restart your printer. If the light continues, you may need a new toner cartridge. Once you follow these steps, your printer should be functioning without the flashing M light. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Canon users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.